Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on September 19, 2022. 4-star Sudoku. Column E, column F, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. First grade, we have 3 numbers 2, 4, 6. That 3 numbers can't come the 2 cells. It will come in another 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 7. Column C, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Second row and third row, we have 6. Column J also we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 4. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Third row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then first grade, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 5. Column D, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column I, we have 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Second row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column H, column J, we have pair numbers 7 and 5. So 7 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Ninth grade and second row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Third grade, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then third grade, only 1 number is remaining 9. 9 is confirmed here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 7. Column F, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Third row, only 1 number is remaining 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 6. Ninth row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column J, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. The ninth grade, 2 numbers are remaining 8 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 4. Fifth row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column H, 3 numbers are remaining 9 to 8. It will come in another 2 cells, 3 cells. We will confirm later. 10th row and 8th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 9. Column C, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column D, column B, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 8th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 7 and 8. 8th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 8th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining 7 and 9. Column F, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 5. 6th row, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. 7th row, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Column D, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 4, 7. It will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. 5th row and 7th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Then column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. 7th row, we have 8. So it can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Column F, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 8, 4. 7th row and 5th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. 5th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 5th row and 7th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Then column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. 5th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 5th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 5th row, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. 6th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 8th row, only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 5. 6th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.